Which individual is listed under QR code management team? A. Kathir Arumugam. B. M. Saravanan. C. V. Padmavati. D. M. Murugesan. The correct answer is B. M. Saravanan. What subatomic particle revolves around the nucleus of an atom? A. Nucleus. B. Neutron. C. Electron. D. Proton. The correct answer is C. Electron. What is the subject of the ICT Corner activity? A. The classical world. B. Mesopotamian culture. C. Egyptian civilization. D. Ancient Rome. The correct answer is A. The classical world. What was a primary focus of the Dravidian Uplift organization? A. Educating and supporting non-Brahman graduates. B. Promoting traditional Brahminical practices. C. Supporting Brahman students. D. Forming political alliances with the British. The correct answer is A. Educating and supporting non-Brahman graduates. What does FSH stand for in the context of reproductive hormones? A. Female sex hormone. B. Fertility support hormone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone. D. Fetal stimulating hormone. The correct answer is C. Follicle stimulating hormone. Which union territory recorded the lowest sex ratio? A. Lakshadweep. B. Daman and Diu. C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. D. Puducherry. The correct answer is B. Daman and Diu. Who commanded the Allied forces that invaded Normandy? A. General Rommel. B. General Eisenhower. C. General Montgomery. D. General Patton. The correct answer is B. General Eisenhower. Where is the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth? A. Soviet Vostok Station in Antarctica. B. Northern Hemisphere. C. Death Valley, California. D. Tropic of Capricorn. The correct answer is A. Soviet Vostok Station in Antarctica. What is one of the effects of heat mentioned in the text? A. Decrease in temperature. B. Decrease in volume. C. Increase in density. D. Change in state. The correct answer is D. Change in state. What does sovereignty refer to? A. The right to rule. B. The ultimate power of the country. C. The right to elect representatives. D. The power of the Legislative Assembly. The correct answer is B. The ultimate power of the country. What is matched with hardwood in the matching section? A. Cereals. B. Spice. C. Teakwood. D. Hemp. The correct answer is C. Teakwood. What language was Natural History written in? A. Sanskrit. B. Greek. C. English. D. Latin. The correct answer is D. Latin. The Vijayanagar Empire exercised authority over which group? A. All Sikh kingdoms. B. All Hindu kingdoms. C. All Muslim kingdoms. D. All Buddhist kingdoms. The correct answer is C. All Muslim kingdoms. Which of the following is an example of an irreversible change? A. Dissolving salt in water. B. Melting ice. C. Burning of paper. D. Stretching a rubber band. The correct answer is C. Burning of paper. What was one of the topics of discussion in 1943 besides the status of Tamil music? A. Agricultural practices. B. Economic reforms. C. Equality and gender sensitization of society. D. International relations. The correct answer is C. Equality and gender sensitization of society. Besides initiating production, what else does an entrepreneur bear? A. The risk involved in it. B. The market competition. C. The profit margins. D. The employee salaries. The correct answer is A. The risk involved in it. What does the second section of the divided columns represent? A. Plasma. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Solid. The correct answer is B. Liquid. Which part of the ocean is explicitly mentioned in relation to ONGC's operations? A. Mid-ocean ridges. B. Deep-sea trenches. C. Ocean floor. D. Continental shelves. The correct answer is C. Ocean floor. Where did Nana Sahib escape to after his defeat at Kanpur? A. Central India. B. Jhansi. C. Nepal. D. Lucknow. The correct answer is C. Nepal. What type of region is the Thar Desert described as? A. Temperate. B. Coastal. C. Arid. D. Tropical. The correct answer is C. Arid. Which areas in India receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall? A. Rajasthan and Gujarat. B. Western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya. C. Deccan Plateau. D. Punjab and Haryana. The correct answer is B. Western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya. Which type of substance, besides those directly forming or ions, is mentioned as potentially being an Arrhenius base? A. Noble gases. B. Metal oxides. C. Nonmetal oxides. D. Halogens. The correct answer is B. Metal oxides. What are the reactants in the process of photosynthesis according to the provided word equation? A. Sunlight and chlorophyll. B. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide and water. D. Food and oxygen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide and water. Which leader was associated with the rise of fascism in Germany? A. Adolf Hitler. B. Hideki Tojo. C. Francisco Franco. D. Benito Mussolini. The correct answer is A. Adolf Hitler. Which phylum is represented by the example tapeworm? A. Echinodermata. B. Mollusca. C. Coelenterata. D. Platyhelminths. The correct answer is D. Platyhelminths. Where are desert biomes usually found? A. Western margins of continents. B. Inland plains. C. Eastern margins of continents. D. Coastal areas with high rainfall. The correct answer is A. Western margins of continents. Which electrons in an atom are involved in chemical reactions? A. Core electrons. B. Valence electrons. C. All electrons equally. D. Inner shell electrons. The correct answer is B. Valence electrons. What is the assertion made about oceans on maps? A. They are always shown in green. B. They are always shown in yellow. C. They are always shown in blue. D. They are always shown in brown. The correct answer is C. They are always shown in blue. What are the regions called where the turns of a coil are closer together? A. Rarefactions. B. Expansions. C. Compressions. D. Vibrations. The correct answer is C. Compressions. From which city did the Abbasids rule? A. Medina. B. Baghdad. C. Damascus. D. Mecca. The correct answer is B. Baghdad. How did you score?